Hey Siri, set a pizza timer for 12 minutes. Hey Siri, what's the temperature in here? Hey Siri, play pop hits in the bedroom. Hey Siri, find my iPhone. Hey Siri, play the Desi Crime podcast. Hey Siri, dim the lights please. Hey Siri, open the blinds. Apple is on a launching spree. Earlier they introduced MacBook Pros with updated internals. They introduced it with M2 chips. But on the next day itself, Apple updated their HomePod. Yes, they introduced the HomePod second generation. When the looks are compared, the older one and the new one looks alike a lot. And as per Apple, they have tweaked the internals and they introduced some magic so that the new generation of HomePod will sound better to your ears. Want to find out what are the other differences when compared to the older generation? Because in today's video, we're gonna discuss about it. Hi Geeks, I'm Samir and you guys are watching iGeeks blog. Okay, so let's start with the design first. The design is almost identical because the older one and the new one looks alike a lot. Only the difference is in the color because the new black color, the midnight one, is a bit darker compared to the space grey one which used to come in the older model. Okay, so the second generation of HomePod comes with a soft fabric which is made up of 100% of recycled materials. It also comes with an edge-to-edge glass at the top which is used to give touch inputs through your fingers, of course. Now let's just talk about the most important aspect of any HomePod, and that is audio. The new HomePod comes with a 4-inch high exclusion woofers for the main speaker, same as the original one. But the new HomePod has 2 less tweeters compared to the original one. The original one had 7 of them, and in the new one you will be getting 5. To be honest, I don't think that's gonna make any difference because the position of the tweeters has been tweaked. Earlier, the position were at the bottom facing sideward, but in the new one, you'll get the tweeters faced upwards, which in theory will produce better sound and will fill your room more adequately. Both the new one and the old HomePod has microphones in it to detect the placement of the HomePod and will tune the sound accordingly. The new HomePod has all new system sensor which improves dynamic range and acoustic performance drastically. Furthermore, the new HomePod improves on the conceptual audio thanks to the new chipset. Apple has also given us a brand new chip in this new model. It comes with S7 chip. Earlier, it used to come with A series of chip. Due to that, the speech recognition was a bit slow compared to the new one on the older HomePod, but in the new one, thanks to the S7 chip, your speech get recognized very fast. As I just said that it has S7 chip in it and it also unlocks a lot of features in the connectivity department. The S7 chip unlocks a lot of new opportunities for the HomePod as it is now enabled with Matter connectivity. The second generation HomePod brings back the beloved features like the spatial audio, stereo configuration and multi-room audio. There is also support for HomeKit because it's a device from Apple and will also control your smart home devices, no question asked. Plus, you can also talk to Siri quite frequently and Siri is smart this time because of the S7 chip. Apple has also given HomePod second generation 2 new sensors. Those are humidity sensor and temperature sensor. But one feature I forgot to talk about, but it is hell important, and that is sound recognition. For instance, if you are not at your home and something goes wrong, then your HomePod will notify you if your home has a fire or your pet is doing something or it has been broken by some other burglar. Okay, so what is the price of this HomePod second generation, you ask me? It is launched at $299 by Apple and it is the same price on which the first generation of HomePod was launched initially. Now let's just look back on things you get new in this second generation HomePod. Immersive high fidelity audio, high exclusion woofer, spatial audio, room sensing, multi-room audio, stereo capability, better voice recognition and intelligent Siri support. And you also get Meta and HomeKit compatibility with sound recognition, humidity and temperature sensor and some privacy and security feature here and there. So these were the features you get with the new updated HomePod second generation. So do let me know in the comment section if you like the new iteration of HomePod or not. If you don't like the new HomePod, it's okay, but it's necessary that you like our video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any such videos in the future. And if you are Apple fanatic, then I think you should go to the App Store and download our app, IGB app, and enjoy everything Apple content. On this note, this is me, Samir, signing off. I'll gonna see you in the next one. Tata, see ya, bye bye.